Welcome, in front of me is a POPTEL P8, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So power key, volume up. And we're now in the boot mode. So from here you want to use volume up to navigate, and you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and confirm it with volume down. The next thing we should see probably is the Android with no command. So there it is. So once you see this, you want to hold power key and tap volume up once. And we're now in the recovery mode. And here you want to scroll down one position using volume up and down to navigate. So tap volume down once and you should have selected the reboot to bootloader and confirm it with power key. And we're now in the Fastboot mode. So that is how you would access it. Now if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key till you see the Fastboot mode disappear from the screen. And there it is, and I think it should turn on its own. So now it's gonna just boot back up into the normal and we're now in the Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.